I'm Tammy. I'm 30. Tonight I have a date with this guy, Dan. He's so cute. Look at that.
Howdy, I'm Dan. Tonight I'm gonna go on a blind date for the first time.
I'm so excited. I haven't been on a date in 3 years.
I'm gonna sweeten her up right here.
So I'm really looking for a non-smoker, someone who loves animals. I really want someone who's gonna kind of wine and dine me, take me to a nice restaurant.
Mickey D's, you know it.
Maybe go for a walk, and we'll see where the night goes.
That fish sandwich gets all the girls in. That must be my date. Hey there, sexy lady. You ready to go on your date?
Dan?
Yeah, girl, it's me.
Okay. Awesome. You didn't say you were a smoker. I think you mentioned something about a chimney, but I didn't know it was you.
No, girl. I meant I'd clean your chimney.
Are you sure this is the same profile? Because I feel like I'm being catfished.
You like catfish? You like seafood? I know a place. I'll take you. My treat.
Great.
What's the matter? You itchy too?
Yeah, I'm really itchy. All of a sudden, got like a rash.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh my God! What is that?
Oh, I told you I work with animals.
I thought you meant like live animals.
Oh, no, I pick up roadkill. That's me. That's what I do for a living. We're here, girl.
McDonald's?
Yeah, man, they have the best fish sandwich ever. It's $1 too. I'll treat you. I told you. I'm good like that. I told you feel better in the trailer, girl.
Yep, you sure did.
Did you fart?
No.
You're about to blow me away.
Oh, wow. I don't
You
even care
take
at this
this.
point.
Yeah.
I'll take this.
You take an awful lot of that Lugan.
Yeah, well, right now I need some help getting some fluids going.
If you're gonna regret this in the morning, we can sleep till the afternoon.
It's been 3 years.
Oh!
Let's just say my IQ dropped a few points after last night.
They say get her done. Well, I got her done.
Listen, it had been 3 years. I didn't have any success dating other ways, so I figured, why not? But I'm regretting it a little bit.
She might be a little dumber now.
You're gonna have a second one?
I think so. She took my flannel with her. You know I love a woman in flannel.
Oh, God, it burns. Why did I do this?
Hey girl, you okay in there?
Yes, I'm fine.
Hey guys, thanks for supporting us. We're at like a whopping 83 subscribers now. You have literally motivated us to keep going.
As long as you guys keep watching, we'll keep making videos. We love doing it. It's a lot of fun, and it's been a great way for us to learn. We hope that you guys are learning with us.
That's Riley.
And that's Riley, who's always trying to get in the videos. So
Thanks again. Remember to like and subscribe. And we are TCM Takeout. Did you like that? You want us to record it again? You gonna say something?
No.